vijana ra, vijana tibim, wazee tialala, warembo ha, wamama mwe. Vijana, in 2013, we ran away from the wolf, who is Isakasan, into the hands of the fox, who is Chebukati. And in the hands of Chebukati, we have suffered. We have suffered political oppression. We have suffered economic exploitation. And we have suffered social degradation. Our forefathers fought and won the war against colonialism. We fought and won the war against tribalism in this nation. We fought and won the war against one-party dictatorship system. We fought and won the war for the new constitution. And we shall fight. We shall fight and win. We shall fight and win the war for electoral justice. I know the cost of freedom is expensive, but we are ready to pay with our lives. Lastly, kwa Rigathi Gachagua, uliambia baba jana ati uachiwe baba udili na yeye. Baba sio rika yako. Mimi Babu Owino, hata mimi nakushinda. Rigathi alipokuwa katika university, vijana team, Rigathi alipokuwa katika university, Rigathi alipata second class lower division. Babu Owino alipata first class honors. Rigathi alikuwa chairman, kidogo tu worship. Rigathi alikuwa chairman wa Single Men Association. Babu Owino alikuwa chairman ya Students Organization of Nairobi University. Rigathi, tunakuonya, huyu baba unamuona hapa sio rika yako. The only thing we share in common with Rigathi is that Babu Owino and Rigathi both have beautiful wives and great wives. Ya mwisho, ukimaliza rally leo, mtafute Chebukati, arrest Chebukati, then mpeleke the nearest police station, ama mniletee najua chenye nitafanya na yeye. Asanteni.
Asante, mkutano umeisha.